Hello everybody and welcome back to Maths. As you will see today you're going to need with you your counting objects and your numeral cards. So if you don't have those, press pause and please go and collect them. Right, today we're going to look a little bit more deeply at number 8. But to start with, I would like us to play a game, a counting game. So what's going to happen is I'm going to say a number and I would like you to clap the same number. Okay, so if Miss Haytner said 2, you would do 1, 2. 2 claps. Are you ready? Here we go. 4. Brilliant counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Right, are we ready for our next one? 3. Brilliant. 1, 2, 3. 3 claps. Let's go for a little bit of a harder one. 7. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, you're getting good. Right, last one. 10. That was brilliant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 claps. Brilliant counting, everybody. Let's move on. Right, now we're going to play a number matching game. So I am going to flip over 2 cards and we're going to see what numbers we can see. If they're a match, we keep them as a pair. If they're not, we'll turn them back over and see if we can find another match. All right, are we ready? Here we go. So here is our first card. And what number have we got here? Can you count the dots for me? That's right, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. Let's flip another one over and see if we can get the same. Here we go. How many dots do we have on the next card? That's right, there's 1, 2, 2 dots. So there's 2 dots on this card and 4 dots on that card. Are they the same? No. So we need to turn them back over and look for another match. Right, here's our next card. Let's see, can you count how many dots you can see? Well done, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 dots on this card. So we need to have 5 on our next card to have a match. Let's turn another one over and see. Well, they don't look the same, so I know that's definitely not 5. So that's not going to be a match. What do you mean? It is 5. I don't think it is. I think we're going to have to count and double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5. So even though the dots are in different places on the card, it still represents 5 because it's got 5 dots. So we've found a match. Well done. Let's have a go at one more. This time I have flipped both cards over. I would like you to press pause, count the dots and tell your grown-up if we have a match or not. Have you worked it out? If you said it is not a match, you are absolutely right because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on the top card and 1, 2, 3. 3 dots on the bottom card. So that means it's not a match. Well done. To get ready for our next activity, I would like you to take your numeral cards out and place them in order from 1 to 8. Do you think you can do that for me? So put them in order from 1 to 8. Press pause, do that now, and then press play when you're ready to start again. Fantastic work, guys. Right, your number line should look like mine below, from 1 to 8. So we're going to use this number line. Are you ready? So I'm going to pick a number, and I pick the number 3. Can you represent, using your counting objects, the number 3? Fantastic. Have you managed to represent the number 3 using your counting objects? Brilliant. I'm going to do mine. Let's double check that yours looks like mine. Here we go. I'm using cubes. So we're going to need 1, 2, 3. 3 cubes to represent the number 3. Well done at representing 3 using your counting objects. Your second challenge is now to look at my images on the screen, and I want you to see if you can find the one that represents 3. Press pause and see if you can find it. If you selected the 3 trees picture, you're absolutely right. There are 3 trees representing the number 3. Fantastic work, guys. So, we started off by you finding the number 3 on your number line. You then represented the number 3 using your counting objects. You can see my counting objects at the side. And then we found the correct picture that represents the number of 3. We found the 3 trees. But you have one more task left to do. I would like you now to get your finger in the air, and we are going to draw the numeral 3 using our finger. Are you ready? Fingers in the air, following me. That's it. There's the numeral 3. One more time. Here we go. Brilliant. Fantastic job, guys. Well done. Right. So now it's your turn to have a go. What I would like you to do is, using your numeral cards from 1 to 8, I would like you to select a number. Then I would like you to build the number using your counting objects. I might use cubes. Then I would like you to select the correct picture from our images that are on the screen. You may even like to have a go at creating your own images to represent your number. For example, if you chose number 6, you might draw 6 dogs. Have a go. Then, if you're feeling really adventurous, you might like to have a go at writing the numeral as well. Press pause, have a go, and then we'll all come back together. Fantastic, have you had a go? Brilliant. I had a go too. I chose the numeral 7 from my number cards. And then I built the number 7 using my counting objects. I built a tower of 7 blocks. And then, instead of choosing one of the images, I drew my own, and I drew 7 fish. To finish off with, I had a go at writing the numeral 7. I even wrote the word. Fantastic. Right, we've got one more thing to do today, and we're going to just look at a little bit about comparing numbers to 8. So, you are going to need your numeral cards. I've got mine in front of me, and I am going to select the number 4 and the number 8. So I'm going to select the number 4 and the number 8. So can you push those numeral cards up for me? Perfect. As you can see, Miss Haitner has her numeral 4 card and her numeral 8 card. And now what we are going to have to do is represent those using our counting objects. So can you press pause and represent 4 using your counting objects and represent 8 using your counting objects? Right, have you had a go? Brilliant. So I'm going to do the same. So the first one I'm going to represent is number 4. So I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 counting cubes, and I'm going to put them together as a tower. And then the next thing I'm going to do is represent the numeral 8. And I'm going to do exactly the same using my counting blocks, and I'm going to count 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's double check. I've got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And now you have done that, I would like you to discuss with your grown-up which number is greater and why. Tell your grown-up which number is greater and why. That's right, well done. 8 is greater than 4 because 8 has more blocks. 8 is bigger. Can you say that with me? Repeat after me. 8 is greater than 4 because it has more blocks. It's a greater amount. Well done. Well done, guys. That was a brilliant maths lesson. To finish off with, I would like you to have a go at choosing 2 more numerals between 1 and 8 and compare them, seeing which one is greater. Then you could have a go at emailing some pictures of you doing this to Mr. Atkinson. It's been lovely working with you, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye.